Hello students. Today let us learn 7th standard chapter 3 data handling exercise 3.2. The first question is the scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows. So here they are given the mathematics test scores out of 25 of 15 students. So let us see the scores. 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12 and 20. So they are given the scores of 15 students and let us see what question they have asked. Find the mode and median of this data, are they same? So here they have asked to find the mode and the median of the data. So answer, arrange the given data in ascending order. So first you arrange this data given, the scores of mathematics test, arrange this data in a ascending order. That is I arranged here the 5, 9, 10 and 12 so on. Now mode is the number appears maximum number of times or highest number of times is called a mode. Here 20 you can see all the numbers appear once up to 19 and 20 appears 4 times here and 25 appears 2 times and we can see that 20 is more appearing than 25. Therefore the mode is 20. Mode, the observation occurred the highest number of times, therefore mode is equal to 20. So number ಯಾವುದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ times appear ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು mode ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Therefore here 20 appears more times, so we call it as mode is equal to 20. Next you have to find the median. So you have to find median of this data. Median is nothing but a middle number or middle observation. Here we have arranged the data in ascending order. There are 15 students. So 15 students, there is a small formula for that to find a middle number, that is 15 plus 1, add 1 to it and divide by 2. So 15 plus 1 divided by 2 gives the middle term, that is 15 plus 1 is 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 8 is not the median, 8th term, the 8th term is the median. Therefore let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the 8th term is 20. Therefore the median is the middle observation is equal to 20 here. And they have asked, are they same? They have asked mode and the median, are they same? Here the mode is 20 and the median is also 20. Therefore yes, the mode and the median are same of the given observations. Next question is, the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. So they are given the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players. The question they asked is, find the mean, mode and the median. Here they have asked 3 also. You have to find mean and mode and the median of this data. Are these 3 data are same? Let us see. Let us first find mean. Let us arrange in ascending order. Here I have arranged in ascending order the given data. Mean is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. So mean andre you have to add all this. It's an average. You have to add all these observations and divide by number of observations. The number of observation is 11 because the data given is of 11 players. Let us add all these observations, that is 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 and so on. It gives is equal to 429. So 429 divided by 11 gives us 39 and this 39 is an average and it is called a mean. So the mean is equal to 39. Let us find mode and the median of this data. Here we can see that number 10 appears 2 times and 15 appears 3 times. A number appears, maximum number of times is 15. Therefore the mode is 15. Mode is the observation occurred the highest number of times is equal to 15 and the median is the middle number of observations. So here there are 11 terms. So 11 players to 11 scores is there. So what I will do is I will add 1 to it. 11 plus 1 and divide by 2. That is 11 plus 1 is 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. This is called 6th term is the middle term. So here let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6th term is 15. Therefore the median is the middle observation is equal to 15. The median is called the middle term. Therefore median is equal to 15. Now they asked one more question. Are all these numbers are same? The mean, mode and the median are same. Yeah. Only mode and the median is same, that is 15, and the mean we got is 39. Therefore, no, the mean, median and the mode are not same. Only we got mode and median are same and mean are different. Mean is different, we got 39 for it. Therefore, no, the mean, median, mode are not same. Next question is, the weights in kgs of 15 students of a class are given. So they are given the weights of 15 students of a class. First question they are given is, find the mode and the median of this data. So let us find the mode first. The mode is nothing but the number appears highest number of times is called mode. So let us arrange in ascending order the data. So here I arranged. You can see the number 38. The 38 number appears 3 times and 43. Number 43 also appears 3 times. Here there are two numbers appearing same number of times, that is highest number of times is 3, and we can say that 38 and 43, the both the numbers are also called as mode. Mode is observation occurred the highest number of times. We got 38 and 43 both. Therefore, mode is equal to 38 and 43. Here we got two modes. Let us find the median of this data. Median is nothing but a middle number. So here there are 15 students. That means I will add 15 plus 1. Therefore, it's equal to 16 divided by 2. When we divide 16 by 2, we got 8. The 8 is not the answer. It is called a 8th term. We call it as 8th term. How to find the 8th term? Here we have arranged the data in ascending order and count the data of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 8th term we got is 40. Therefore, the median here is middle observation is 40. Here they have asked one more question is there more than one mode? So here we got two modes, 38 and 43. Therefore, yes, there are two modes here in this observations. Next question is, find the mode and median of the data. So here they are given the data and you have to find the mode and also median of this data. Let us arrange the data in ascending order first. So here I have arranged the data in ascending order. Mode is the highest number of appearing a number. So here we got number 13 appearing 2 times, number 12 is also appearing 2 times, and 14 is appeared 3 times. Therefore, the mode is a 14. The highest number of times appear the number is 14. Therefore, mode is an observation occurred the highest number of times is equal to 14. To find the median, we have to count the number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 terms. That is, I'll add 1 to it. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 and divide by 2. So 9 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 10 by 2. So now 2 1s are 2 5s are. Therefore, the fifth term is a called median. Here the fifth term is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the fifth term. This is called as median. Here the median is a middle observation, that is equal to 14. Here the mode is also 14 and median is also 14. Next question is, tell whether the statement is true or false. So to state the statement is true or false, the mode is always one of the numbers in the data. Here they asked the mode. The mode we get always will be the one of the numbers in the data. The answer is true because mode is the highest number of times appears the number, that is called mode. Therefore, mode is always one of the numbers in the data. So answer is true. Next question, the mean is one of the numbers in the data. So here mean is nothing but average. Average is not the same number we get from the data. So mean ನಮಗೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಇಂದನೇ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮೀನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೀನ್ ಉಂಟು ಆವರೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. therefore average number one problem ಗೆ change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So here mean is one of the number in the data. So answer is false. Mean is not the one of the number from the data. So answer is false. Third question is, the median is always one of the number in data. So median is nothing but the middle number and middle number is always from the data only. Therefore median is always the one of the numbers in the data. So median ನಮಗೆ data ಇಂದಾನೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore answer is true. Fourth question, the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9 12, 13, 9 has a mean 9. So here they are given some data and they are given that mean is equal to 9. So therefore, we should check the mean by ourselves. Let us add all these numbers. So if you add all these numbers, 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12 plus 13 plus 9. The total is equal to 64 and you should divide by number of terms. So number of terms is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 number of terms, therefore I will divide by 64 by 8. That is 8 ones are 8, 8 is 64. Here we got the mean as 8. Mean is equal to 8 but they are given 9. Mean is equal to 9 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, therefore answer is false. Here we have come to the end of exercise 3.2. Thank you.